So when we're talking about our turnarounds, or we're talking about upgrades, or even routine maintenance, some of the common pitfalls are incomplete scope. We do not see a clear, here's what we need. And if you don't know, that's our job. Come see us, come talk to us. Here's what we're seeing. Let's talk about our scope. We're missing components. We don't have the right information. Great, let's gather it. Let's do that as a team. The biggest one is last minute decisions. If we make decisions early, we can get materials readily available, we can have things staged, we can be ready for your teams and ready for, even if that emergency comes, we've got something sitting on the shelf for you. We do stock and release. We do inventory. There's lots of different opportunities there, but you've got to think, and your keys is, am I doing a good plan for where I'm headed? And then look for areas for improvement.